Passive voice with present tenses and modal verbs. The form: be plus past participle, verb 3. The list of forms in the present tenses: am, is, are, plus past participle in the present simple. Am, is, are, plus being, plus past participle in the present continuous. Have or has plus been, plus past participle with perfect tense. When to use passive voice. If we don't want to say who or what the action. The object is the most important part of the sentence. If we don't know who did the action, or the person is not known or not important, don't worry, you will find a lot of examples in this video. How to make a passive sentence. Object plus verb to be plus verb 3, past participle plus complement. If necessary, you can use by to say who or what is responsible for the action. Example: this video has been created by Modal. To convert an active sentence to a passive sentence, follow these steps. One. Move the object to the first sentence. 2. Check what tense is used in the original active sentence. 3. We need to conjugate the be verb so that's in the same tense. 4. Add the main verb, without s or ing, in past participle form. 5. Decide if you need to say who does the action. If yes, we use by plus person. Now let's analyze that in a sentence. In the present simple, my wife cleans my office every day. The object is my office. Move it to the first sentence. The verb to be in the present: am, or is, or are. Verb 3 of clean is cleaned. Then add the complement, every day. My office is cleaned every day. Let's take an example using present continuous. The maintenance technician is fixing my computer. The object is my computer. Move it to the first sentence. The verb to be is. After the verb to be is, we need to add being in the present continuous. Verb 3 of fix is fixed. My computer is being fixed. Or we can say, my computer is being fixed by a technician. An example using present perfect. A thief has stolen my bike. The object is my bike. Then has or have as it is in the sentence. Be verb in the same tense as been. Verb 3 of stolen is the same verb as the original sentence. My bike has been stolen. If we need to include the person that did the action, we add by. My bike has been stolen by anonymous person. Now let's convert a sentence to a passive voice. My wife cleans the office every day.
The office is cleaned every day.
My wife is cleaning the office now.
The office is being cleaned now.
My wife has cleaned the office.
The office has been cleaned.
Passive voice using modal verbs should and must. Object plus modal verb plus be plus past participle plus complement. My homework must be done. Our elders should be respected by us. Traffic rules must be observed by us. What can be done by the police now? Your parents must be taken care of by you. Trees should not be cut by anyone. That bag can be carried by me. Environment must not be polluted. More trees should be planted by them. This box can be lifted by the porter. Now let's exercise with examples. My homework is done. A bridge is being built. The grass is being cut. My wallet has been stolen. Glass is made from sand. The roof is being repaired. This road is not used much. Paper is made from wood. The car has been damaged. Has this shirt been washed? I am never invited to parties. The shirts have been ironed. The window has been broken. Are we allowed to park here? Spaghetti is made from wheat. Is this room cleaned every day? How is this word pronounced? This room is not used very much. The office is cleaned every day. The trees have been cut down. A pen has been bought by me. The windows are being cleaned. Manga is exported from India. The keys have been lost by Sunil. They have been invited to a party. I'm not invited to parties very often. How often are these rooms cleaned? The windows are cleaned every week. The houses are being knocked down. The new drug has not been tested yet. The invitations have already been sent. The songs have been sung well by Sonal. The competition has been won by Dilip. My car is at the garage, it is being repaired. A factory is a place where things are made. A film studio is a place where a film is made. The office is being cleaned at the moment. A cinema is a place where films are shown. Water is covered most of the Earth's surface. Have you heard? The trip has been cancelled. The computer is being used at the moment. My car has disappeared. It has been stolen. Many accidents are caused by careless driving. A new ring road is being built round the city. A new hospital has been built near the airport. I can't find my keys, I think they have been stolen. Famous orchestra is conducted by Raymond. I'm not going to the party, I haven't been invited. How many languages are spoken in Switzerland? Football is played in most countries of the world. The room isn't dirty anymore, it has been cleaned. Some new houses are being built opposite the park. 100 people are employed by the company. The park gates are locked at 7:30 p.m. every evening. Are you going to the party? No, I haven't been invited. This room looks different, have you painted the walls? Some new houses are being built opposite the park. Sam gets a higher salary now, he has been promoted. Many American programs are shown on British TV. I can't use my office at the moment, it is being painted. I have never seen these flowers before. What are they called? Anna can't use her office this week. It is being redecorated. You can't see the house from the road. It is surrounded by trees. There's somebody walking behind us. I think we are being followed. In the United States, elections for president are held every 4 years. The company is not independent. It is owned by a much larger company. The washing machine was broken, but it's okay now. It has been repaired. This road is in very bad condition. It should have been repaired a long time ago.
The link, of all sentences in this video, is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.